If you want to learn how to trade binary options, you click the right video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an indicator-based strategy that I use to win consistently in the OTC markets. Now, it's very simple and effective. So trust me, by the end of this video, you should probably be able to understand this strategy and use it for yourself to win consistently. Let's get right into today's trading session, guys. So just like I mentioned, we'll be trading the OTC markets today. And as you can see, I've already selected a couple of assets right above. As you see, these have the best payout percentages and chart movements as well. And the indicators that we'll be using for today is our alligator indicator with default settings, our fractal with a period of 3, our ADX line with a period of 15 without the positive and negative lines so that we can track trend reversals. And we'll also be using our MACD oscillator. And as usual, we're trading on the 1 minute time frame. So that's it for the indicators. Let's look for the first asset and look for the best entry to start with, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it's any help to you at all. Okay, guys, let's start winning.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay, guys, so we have our first trade. And here it's a short trade. As we can see, we're trying to trade the pullback dynamics. So the ADX is already indicating an average movement, which is suggesting that the upward trend might continue, but we're trying to get, some pullback dynamics over here. We can see that a global maximum has been formed, and following that, we can see that the price crossed all 3 alligator moving lines, which are also pointing downwards after an intersection. We can also see that the volume has changed in the MACD and the color in the histogram has also changed. Now, this is also suggesting, reversal in dynamics. It's suggesting that we're going down temporarily. So that's the reason why I took a short for this trade. Let's see how it ends, guys. Perfect, guys. So our first trade is in a profit. I'm just going to adjust our balance and we can start searching for the next opportunity to get into the market again. Okay, guys, so this is our second entry. And now, so we see over here, this is a short trade. A while ago, there was a local maximum formed, a global maximum, sorry. And after that, there was no distinct movement in dynamics. And so I'm just going to focus on the indicator signals without any additional analysis. So right over here, we can see a local maximum formed over there, which is followed by a downward price movement, which crossed all 3 alligator moving lines. Now, the alligator moving lines themselves have intersected, and that's indicating a reversal, is indicating a downward move. And also the volume has also, changed color and also changed direction. That's also indicating a downward move, guys. That's why I took this trade for short. Perfect, guys. This trade also closes in a profit. Amazing, guys. We're on a roll today. I changed the balance, and now let's search for the next entry. Okay, guys, so I just took the next trade here, and as we can see, this is a downtrend, but it seems like a reversal may be happening right now, and that's why I took a long trade here. So let me just mark that out. So after the global minimum was updated, we can see that the price moved upward and it crossed all 3 alligator moving lines, which are all starting to show a very slight reversal. The volume changes on the histogram also indicate an upward movement, and that's why I took this trade for a long. Let's see how this one plays out, guys. You've been attentive, you can see I'm using all these indicators together simultaneously. And I'm able to analyze the charts at very high speed so that I can take the trades very quickly, because the entry points are very, very important in each of these trades. Amazing, guys. So we ended this one with a profit as well. There was some volatility and some upward movement, which helped us to end with a profit. Let's change the balance, and now let's get into the next trade. Today's session has been amazing, guys. Okay, guys, so we just opened our next trade and it's a short. As we can see over here, the local maximum, the fractal, has been updated and the moving average lines intersected from top to bottom. So based on the movement dynamics and the pullbacks, which is also followed by a structural minimum update, this trade looks very, very solid, guys. Let's see how it ends. For this one, I didn't really use the ADX, but the signals I got from the other indicators were sufficient. We should have the price crossing now all three moving average lines, and that would just give us further confirmation for this trade, guys. Let's see how it ends. Perfect, guys. Perfect, guys. Another trade in green. Just amazing. So let's take another trade for the maximum balance, and let's look for another asset, guys. Today's session is going amazing. I really do hope you're able to grasp the idea behind how these indicators work together.
Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot.
Okay, guys, so here we open another short trade. And just like before, there's actually no specific direction of the market right now. And that's why I'm relying on the overall movement patterns. So after two local highs were updated, you can see that the price moved downward. And that's also showed by an intersection over there. Now, there was a brief pullback, but I expect a full intersection to occur. So the moving average lines and the volume behavior also supports my bias. We can see the volume changes, and we can see the intersection of the moving average lines. Let's see how this one plays out. Amazing, guys. That was a very close one. In the last second, we had a downward momentum, which saved us literally, because that was about to be in a loss. That was close. I didn't anticipate these candlesticks appearing this way, but thank God for the drop, and we're able to still end in a profit. I'm gonna open another trade as a conclusion for $404, and we'll consolidate our results, guys. Okay, guys, so we have our next entry, and here it's a long trade, as we can see. So the alligator moving lines have crossed, and it's very consistent with all the trades we had today. So just a while ago, the global structural minimum was updated, and even though there's no clear trend dynamic, I'm relying on the cross pattern. So the ascending volumes and the ADX moving line also show average dynamics. Anyways, let's see how this one will end, guys. Okay, guys, so for this one, we closed in a loss, unfortunately. We're a bit unlucky with this one. I'm not gonna risk any more profits for today. Yeah, as you can see, the movement dynamics turned upward quite strongly after we closing the loss. Maybe the entry timing was not the best, but still, the strategy has proven to work time and time again. It's fine. Let's just wrap things up for today and go to withdraw. So today's profit total is $850. As you can see, the withdrawal has been successful. And that's it for today's trading session, guys. I mean, this is how I use these indicators together to trade the OTC markets. Feel free to go back in the video and check to properly understand each of these strategies individually. I really think that this would help your trading journey and help you to trade binary options if you can just properly understand how these indicators work together. If you like this video, make sure that click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to leave a link to my Telegram channel for those who need more assistance in trading. You can check that out, and I'd love to reach out to you and help you in any way that I can in your trading journey. Anyways, see you guys next time.